Hello everyone and welcome back to RGB Tech. In today's video, I will show you how you can run Windows on an iPhone using new UTM SE Emulator. Simply open App Store and search for UTM SE Emulator, or you simply use the link in description, alright. As you know, the UTM SE, the first PC emulator, is available on App Store now. You can run classic software. You can also emulate x86 architecture. All the things work based on QEMU emulation that we already seen on Android, right? You can directly run pre-installed machines files, or you can configure your own from scratch. Alright, so download application. Open it. And these are update logs, just simply continue. Now head over to settings. Make sure to enable autosave on low memory. Same, leave most of all settings as default. No need to change them. Now close. Here we have some options. You can create new virtual machine. You can browse UTM Gallery. Simply select UTM Gallery. Now here you will find a lot of systems which are based on Linux, Ubuntu, Android, Windows, and there are other versions. Here I will go with Windows 7 UTM pre-build, so select it. Then hit on download. It will download the UTM zip file. Now go to File Manager. Go to Downloads section. Now simply tap on Windows UTM zip file to unzip it. Here you also need to search Get Windows Tiny ISO File. I download this tiny ISO file to test it, alright. Now get back, open UTM file which we downloaded. Now here select CD DVD file, means you need to select ISO file of Windows 7. Now again, go to Machine Settings, Information. Here by default, the name and description are already set. You can select the system icon. Now go to System. Leave most of these settings to default. Architecture to x86-64. You can also set the required RAM size, please don't set to maximum. It will crash. Leave the remaining settings as usual. Okay, now go to QEMU Settings. Make sure to disable UEFI boot if you are using Windows 7. Go to Sharing. Enable clipboard sharing. In display, it's already set to compatible VGA display card. We can't enable GPU acceleration, that's quite weird. Enable automatic display to resize option. In network settings, leave it to default driver. Audio, it's set to Intel HD audio driver. Now save the settings. Now simply hit the play button. It starts to boot system. It starts to load Windows files. Here there is an arrow key. When you tap on it, you can get machine controls over here. Of course, there is a keyboard. Here I will fast forward some things. System feels so very kind of slow and laggy. And there we go, guys, it's booted. It takes a lot of time to load up these things. But looks like the theme's set to old classic one. Alright, we got a welcome page. So close it. It took me almost like 3 to 4 hours to just install this tiny little version of Windows 7. There is a bit delay while I'm moving the pointer to select things. But don't expect more from it. This is not even enabled with GPU acceleration. It's just running on a basic Windows display adapter, as we said in the beginning. Anyways, that's it all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked. Also subscribe to our channel for more crazy stuff. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.